So in this we have a cube. Let us call the position of the real position of the object as is at a distance x, and then from this side the distance is going to be 15 minus x. Now this gets shifted such that the distance of this the distance of this shifted image is 6 centimeters from one of the edge. So this is the real position. Now let's call this as A and this as B. From phase A we know that n is equal to x by 6. So here x is the real depth from phase A, and similarly from phase B I can write n is equal to 15 minus x by 4. So equating refractive indices, we get 15 minus x by 4 is equal to x by 6. So this gives us x is equal to 9 centimeters. Now the refractive index n is basically nothing but x by 6, that is 9 by 6, and we get this as 1.5. This is the answer.